I can't hardly see the screen. Can you see the screen?
Well, it's kind of hard to see, yeah.
Is that them right there?
Nope.
Well, where are they?
There's
Oh.
some.
See, that's the 24 time, only optical. But I went past it, and that's into the digital part. But if I stay right there, they're off too damn far. So that may not be as. We may be able to get a better look at those. But let's do some recording here for now. Whoa. This thing sticks a little bit. The the tripod. I need to put some grease on it or something. Where'd the birds go?
Yeah, they're right there.
They must figure I'm far enough away. Wish I would have got the other ones though, or even in flight.
Kind of had to set up early.
Yeah, I probably could have just got out here and done it with my, got them good enough without a tripod. All right, this is the what you call this place again?
William S. Huey.
William S. Huey Wildlife Preserve, Bird Sanctuary,
Waterfowl. Yeah.
Waterfowl, and those are a bunch of starting to fly off now. Some of them. Those are a bunch of Sandhill cranes. They're way far off. The ones that were closer got scared off, I guess. We're at 24 times optical zoom. I could do the digital zoom, but I don't know how well that looks. There they are, digital zoom. That's whatever. I'm not sure what. You see it? That's the digital zoom.
Yeah.
There's some big birds, that's for sure. It's 24 times zoom. I guess it goes out to digital zoom to 96 or something. I'm not sure. I was trying to read that. 24, 74. Yeah. Digital zoom goes out 96. Of course, digital zoom is not very good. That's where I prefer to see them at, is 24. Well, we're not close enough. There's 85%.
These ones over here are probably closer if we drive over there.
Yeah, we got to drive over there. That was gonna just get some right here. Hopefully they don't get scared off too. Okay, let me shut that off. John, can you see it? You have better eyes than I do. There's some of the closer ones, right?
those are the further off ones, but right over here on this other side over here is closer.
I don't see him. Can't see him.
Right up to the...
Oh, this. They're in flight right there.
And you have to go...
I still don't see him. This thing sticks too much, this head here.
There they are. Right there. Wow. I need to get my glasses.
Did you want to try and see what you could do? Kevin,
Oops.
you're going to hit that, you're going to hit other things.
Oh, there
It's
he is.
recording, I think. You see the red recorder, right? You see the red?
Yeah, I see it. It's recording.
They're across the way there, see them?
Yeah.
And then there's also over here, and then the one's way over there.
Yeah, so you can see that they have those red spots on their head, Sandhill cranes.
I almost feel like taking it off the tripod and then just look around that way. Do you want to try that?
Might be a little bit harder to
Well, it'll be harder to
see
because
where...
you have to hold so still.
Yeah.
I mean, it is. It has a stabilizer in it, but it's the farther you get out, a stabilizer is hard to use. Man, they're all over the place. They're lined up over there too. But if you need to take that off, there's this lever here, and it will come off easy.
Yeah. Well, let me do this.
I'll take a look at you. Oh, you know what? I got my spotting scope. Forgot. I would say this got to be 300. There's ducks out in that pond too. Or those what you call it?
Yeah, those are ducks.
They're all black.
Yeah, I'm getting some video of them right now.
Okay. don't see those. What were those things called the other day?
Hmm?
They were white, weren't they? They weren't ducks. They were
Gulls?
gulls. Yeah.
Yeah.
There are a couple white. There's a few white ones out there. I don't know if they're ducks or gulls. They got white breasts. They're flying. Oh, there they are. Oh, it looks beautiful in the scope here. One's flying. Before we leave, I want to take it off of there and see if I can catch a few of them flying. Going somewhere wrong. Cornfield. I guess they have the cornfield only to feed the birds. That's it. Beautiful in flight. The scope works out pretty good. Hey, we got the best place here in Artesia. It's better than at Bitter Lakes. I've never seen them like this in Bitter Lakes. Have you? I've seen a group of some big old. I don't think they were Sandhill cranes though. They were big birds. They weren't a huge group either. Can't tell. Somebody's on the road back over there. Let me see. Where's that damn road at? There it is. Oh, there's nobody over there. Which ones are you zoomed in on?
These closer ones at the moment.
Much
Yeah.
easier to see, huh? Are you what times? 24 or what?
Well, right now I'm doing the
The
90s.
one where they're way up to it?
Yeah.
What we're doing in a little bit is taking off the tripod and I'll try to get them in flight, but we could drive over there and park across from it. Then we could let the dogs do some walking. Let me see. Oh, that's hard to see. For me it is. I don't know how it is for you.
It's a little hard to see. Would be nice if it had a brighter screen.
I've seen a lot worse. We have some other equipment. You can't even see the screen in the daylight like this. It's like that quadcopter. We can't see it. We can't see it in daylight. I have to have some. Yeah, and I have a shade for it, and it still have a heck of a time seeing it. Still recording, right?
Looks like it.
It flashes a red light, right?
Yeah.
That zoom, the automatic, because we have it just on automatic right now. The automatic is just doing great, huh? It may be a little bit slow. I'm glad I bought that, can't remember what they call it, Alfredo or something. It's the head unit, or a tripod. It makes it so much easier. Although I do need to do some, oh, you know what, I think it's got an adjustment. And I probably have it adjusted too stiff right now. I don't remember where the adjustment is now. It's even got a level there. Oh, there is, here it is, I think. And there's something right here. Oh, that's just the trigger. But maybe, I can't move it. There's an adjustment there, see it? It probably loosens it or tightens, and I probably have it too tight, where it's not very fluid. Try it now. You don't want it too have it too loose, and you definitely don't want to have it too tight. Did you go the wrong direction, or did you?
I don't know. It doesn't seem like it affected it.
Oh, I didn't? Are you still on the birds?
Yep.
You know where they really look cool? Or it's when it's in the air, when they're in the air. I don't know how quickly it would, here comes another group coming through in the air, but I don't think you can catch it.
I might have made it a little too tight.
Too loose or too tight?
Too tight, I think. Let me try to unloosen it.
Still sticking?
Maybe I went the wrong way.
Guess we should have learned how that worked before we came out. Here.
Yeah, it's very, very tough to get just right.
Well, we could go and let me take that off the thing. It's got a viewfinder, and I don't remember how that works. I can't see anything through. I guess you got to shut this. Yeah. Oh, it's blurry as all hell. Yeah, just that. John, can you take this? Okay. Let's see here. Am I turning it right? Let's see. Oh wait, I'm not even doing it right here. Is it turning at all? There's a thumb wheel here. I'm trying to turn it. I guess you need your fingernails. There it goes. Yeah, that's not bad. That's pretty good. Of course, It's gonna be different for you on your focus, but okay, I'm on the closer ones. See what you think on the John, on this thing. You could only use your fingernail.
Okay, here.
You could only use your fingernail. I was looking at. Hold on to it. Good. I was looking at the closer ones.
Okay,
You look
well,
right into the thing, and you use your fingernail.
yeah.
Turn that thing. And focus it.
Well, there we go. I got it focused.
With that, you could more precisely. I could probably catch some in flight. It's not all that bad because it's got that stabilization in it, you know.
There it is.
Your radio has interference or something going on. Next, a flock of them come through. Try that fly. Try to get it on. I think it's not going to matter the focus in the what you call it. I can't concentrate with that noise, John. I don't think it's going to matter with the viewfinder if it's out of focus. Okay, that's driving me nuts. I got to shut that off. See, now I want to see some flying in the sky. There's none. Okay, there's two over here. There's two. See if you get them flying in the sky. Just as long as you can see them, even if you don't get them focused on your viewfinder that well. As long as you get them in frame, autofocus on the camera should get them. You can see them at all?
Yeah, I can see them just fine.
We got them all in flight. Good. Those are your glasses. Those are some in flight. I don't know how well you get them though. It's pretty far away. There's some coming down to the ground.
Yeah, I got them.
Did you?
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to do a lot of cutting on this, if it's possible. The viewfinder. Oh shit! I can't wear these glasses with it. I was gonna say the viewfinder is awfully dark, but that's my glasses. Okay, there's those guys. I didn't have to really change the focus. I'm just to leave it where it is. Your eyes aren't too much different than mine as far as far focus on my right eye. It might be and most of the time just easier just to use it this way. There's one flying. He came out of focus. Keeps going in and out of focus. There's a whole bunch over here, huh? Come on, focus, focus. There they are. Getting them turned away from me, but they're flying. Oh, yeah, the autofocus got off of them. There they go. What zoom are you on right now? There's 24. Let me go all the way out. Oops, I just went all the way in. Ah, dang it.
There's a bunch coming over.
I'm watching these. Okay, those are up there somewhere. I hear them. Where are they at? Am I blind? Oh, they're way over there. Okay, I'm way out. Let me go back to 24 times optical zoom. There's those ducks way out there. Yeah. There's 24 times zoom. That's 70 times on the digital. Go back 24. 23, 24. It's pretty dang steady. You know, if we didn't have the stabilization, we'd be shaking all over the place. This is a Panasonic Lumix DMC, I believe, dash LZ. I got so many damn names. LZ-200, I believe it is.
Some more flying over.
There they are. I'm just leaving it at optical zoom right here. I wonder if Mike's, whatever camera he's using, could do this. He's talked to me about what could do about the zooming part. Well, there's some right on the, flying right over there. And so when he asked about that, I think, what can I do? Because I needed to do something. Because we'd come over here with a GoPro and we wouldn't be able to see him but a speck. This way you see him pretty nice. Yeah, they get kind of shaky on digital zoom. I prefer to leave it on optical zoom if it's possible. Where'd those other closer birds go?
Somebody coming.
Uh-huh.
A white truck.
Is that one of those, what you call it? Game and fish or something?
Nope.
It didn't have an emblem? I'm hearing something like it might be flying. That's a pretty good view of these down here that are closer to us, but not too far away. I have a feeling that digital zoom doesn't look good. That's all the way out, 96 times digital zoom. Let me get it back to 24. Just two of them. A bunch more. Where'd they go? Unless this catches the zoom, which the flying is harder, especially farther away. There they are. Oh, my arms get tired, John. Here.
Mine are getting tired, that's why I stopped.
Well, we didn't have a better view. There's all kinds of snow on the Wood Osco. And the mountains over there by Wood Osco. Did you catch those four flying?
Yeah.
Here comes a whole bunch towards us, John, from the cornfield. They're flying, John. I doubt we're going to have anything freeze up this year as far as lakes. This water will probably stay open.
Oh.
Those white caps are pretty neat. I wish we were at a better angle though to see them. Yeah, it's snow all the way down, it looks like. How much? There's a sprinkler system right away too. This got a lot of snow up there. Well, now that truck's over there on the side I want to go on later on. The hunting's over, right? It's after 1 o'clock?
Yeah, there's no hunting right now. It's a Saturday, so they shouldn't. Well, no, wait.
Well, Saturday is a hunting day.
Yeah, it is a
But
hunting
it's
day.
after 1, right?
Yeah, after 1.
If it's after 1, they're not supposed to be shooting anything.
Uh,
There's something coming right over the top of you. Horrible.
Ooh, it's cold out here.
What?
It's cold out here.
It is. It's a little bit chilly. I don't know what he's doing. Just driving around, checking the sights, or is he going to try to hunt at their house? That new program I got. Okay, I'm recording at William. Oh, there it is. William S. Huey Wildlife Preserve. Today is the 10th, I believe, of December. I'm recording with my new camera. Let me get some. I'm using the viewfinder right now. I want to get better focus. Okay. I am recording down there. I'm zooming in. This is zooming in 24 times, and it's all optical. If I go beyond that, I go to 96, but it's digital. Digital sucks. Alright, let's turn slowly around. And there's something up there in the hill. Our doggies are too close for me to... Oh man, that sun is... Oh shit. Excuse my language. Okay, I'm zooming in or out. And that's 24 times. I'm going to zoom out just to show y'all. Let me zoom in on something. I don't know, whatever. That stick out there. Yeah. I'm going to go all the way to 96. That's 96 time and it's digital. And that's as steady as I could hold it. And then we go back to 24. 24 is the sweet spot in my opinion. Because it's all optical still. And that's all the good. Okay. And I'll go all the way in. Now that's, I guess what's called wide angle. It's all the way in. Where's our dogs? It's my son John. Where's the dogs? They're all around me? Okay, there's two right there. Lucky is trying to catch her running. I got her zoomed in a little bit. Here's my two doggies. Over here is Annie. Uh-oh, what's wrong with Annie? She's limping. Did she get a sticker? 17 times. She's walking straight at me. Oh boy, she's walking. Okay. It's not like a GoPro. Oh, I gotta bring it all the way in. Let's see. Who jumped on me? Was that you, Lucky? It's Little Pretty. And there's Lucky. Don't be going for a bath. Lucky's always on the prowl for something. It's Penny. Is Annie around me? Because I don't see her. Where's Annie? Oh, there's she, Annie. So far, I'm really liking this camera. Had a little chip on the outside lens part. I think that outside the part is just to protect the inside lens. I'm not too concerned about it. I'm disappointed the seller on eBay didn't mention that. Gave him a good review, but I did mention I won't recommend him because he omitted that part. And all he said was that everything worked fine. But he did not say or mention that we had a problem with the chip. I looked those things up. You gotta buy the whole. There's a second lens thing, whatever, the whole thing. It's very simple to clean though, and very simple to take that lens out. But you can't buy that outside portion separate. You gotta buy the whole tube and all, and it cost. I priced $153, and the camera only cost $250. So that wasn't going to happen. Now, if I seen it, the defect in the video or the pictures, then I would be asking for my money back. But since that's not the case, I'm not going to worry about it too much. And I'll put a lens, a UV lens over it. I got one on order. So no dust or dirt. Moisture hopefully won't get in. What are you checking out there, Annie?
Go down?
I hope not. You better check. Annie's out there looking. Yep. Oh man, she went flying. She's a flyer. Wish I could remember that video editing program I found last night. It's free and it's great. Caden Live. Yeah, I recommend that. There's a lot more I gotta figure out with it, but I figured out how to at least dump them on a timeline, and then what is she say? What is that poop on the thing? On the? It's not theirs, is it? Where's your bags? You don't have your bags? Guess it won't matter out here, but still, I don't want to ride on the edge of the bridge, or on the bridge. Oh, John's picking it up with his poop baggie there. Older I get, I try to be more responsible. So, I'm hearing like jumping. There might be fish in that river. Every once in a while I hear jumping. Oh. Where's Lucky? Out there again? Where's she at? Pretty good camera, I think. Okay, I'm gonna shut this off.
Oh yeah, I got it on. Okay.
That's all over the place. Wow, why so many are leaving like that? You don't think somebody snuck up on this? Hunter was back there, maybe.
Yeah, sure is a lot of them over there.
A lot on the ground, but there's a lot in the air right now. It's like something scared them. I don't think it's us. We didn't scare them last time, did we? When we walked over here. Yeah, look at how many are in the air. Settling down, some of them are. I don't know. They may just take off. They don't stay there. The deer might have startled them. This was lucky. We probably could have got a good shot, good video of a deer running around. Was it one or two?
I think there's a couple of deer back there, but I don't know where they went. Lucky was running really fast after something over there. I didn't know if she spotted the deer or not.
If we bring those cameras with us, we'll have a better chance of filming the deer. If we would have had it that day that Brandon Lake, we would have had a real good chance. They they've settled down.
Okay.